Hello ever YouTubers! Welcome back to my channel. I am more than happy and glad because you're again here watching my fourth vlog / makeup tutorial, and this time I have here with me a very special guest, my hairstylist, my favorite hairstylist, Reynard. Follow him on his social media accounts. Apparently, we will be doing a man-to-woman makeup transformation / tutorial because of your comments. If you have more requests, you might wanna leave a comment below para magawa namin kung ano na-request ninyo. So, as of the moment, I've been collecting comments saying that you do more man-to-woman transformation, and we'll be doing it for the economy and beyond.
Yes, kasi finally after 3 years, napag-iintay ko, mag-makeupan mo na ako. So, hindi ko kasi siya masyado nini-makeupan. I mean, mapaganda mo na yung mukha ko. Kahit yung mukha ko lang. Okay, so we will be starting, guys.
And for today, I'll be using a dirty blade for me to
I'm not yet ready
to shave the brows of Reynard. Yung aso, naririnig ninyo. Nagigigil ako sa aso kung kailan nagsisil. I love dogs though, kaso takot ako sa kanila. So apparently, this is going to be my second time to do a man-to-woman makeup transformation. And I wonder how he will look like. Mababahin niya.
Mabaho akin ako.
I'll be using a wet wipes to wipe off the dirt and some excess oil from Reynard's face.
Grabe, yung mukha, yung kulay natin dalawa, kapit siya kagatas.
However you call it. Now I'm gonna take my favorite toner, Salutet. Itong toner nito, hindi lang oil ang natatanggal nito, pati pag-ibig mo sa kanya kasi siya wala namang pakialam sa'yo. Now I have here with me my favorite as well, MUAng Prep and Prime, Prep Plus Prime, however you call it, for hydrating purposes.
Ang bango pala.
Now I'm taking with me the MUAng Prep Plus Prime Skin-Based Visage to use as a primer and spread it all over his face. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. So konti lang. Lamp lang natin. Now, I'll be getting my favorite foundation, the RCMA 6-part palette, and do the base foundation, highlight, and contour for Reynard. And I'll be using the shade Sheen to 3 shade for Reynard because he, it has a morena or tan skin tone. This time, I'm not gonna use any concealer or color corrector to test the full coverageness of RCMA.
Here comes the play! Nahiya ako ah.
Guys, if you have recommendations, if you have requests, makeup looks that you would like me to do, a tutorial or a makeup transformation, however you call it, you might want to leave a comment below. Let me see if I could be able to do it. KO 1 and 2 and combine them. Use them as the highlight.
So, oh my god, Reynard is living. You might want to subscribe. Consider subscribing on my YouTube channel. For now, it's Be Justified. I'm going to change it to Glamformation Makeup Digest because a lot of people have been following me on my, how do you call that? My Facebook page with that.
So not using a corrector or a concealer is quite challenging because somehow his under eyes are quite dark. So here you will see how pigmented RCMA really is.
sabi na yes, I will be doing that po. Gagawin ko siyang Barbie ng mga kukulam. Charot. Ay, grabe. Hey guys! So just like what we experienced during Rumel's time, nakalimutan namin maglagay ng contact lenses. Ang orte. Nakalimutan namin maglagay ng contact lenses. So we will be applying it right now.
Here's the product of not applying contact lenses prior to applying makeup.
So moving on, we will be fixing the under eye because sobrang nag-smudge siya.
One of my hacks para mabawasan yung creasing or maiwasan yung creasing is that after I apply the highlight under the eyes, sineset ko kaagad siya. I'm using this brush from one of my first batch of brushes I bought in Divisoria, but the quality is really good. Like, I bought it last 2015 and until now, it's still alive and kicking. Now I'm gonna use this shade. This is, I think, the darkest Shinto shade. And I'll be using this in contouring the significant parts of Raynor. I mean significant parts of the face.
Oh my god, it gave up! Look at that! Sorry, DIY lang kasi lahat ng ginawa namin.
So, yung contour natin, yung level niya is pang Maleficent. So I'm gonna take my brush from Dress Up. And I'll be using my favorite setting powder, which is the Artem A No Color Powder.
Ang bango ng brush mo. Ano pinanlilinis mo dyan, sir?
Pinanglinis ko sa brushes ko, guys, just to share, is the Parian Spirit. Well, it's a case-to-case basis. Pag matagal na, for example, 1 week to 1 month, huwag naman 1 month. For example, today, ang last na racket ko, then next week na susunod, nililinis ko siya using a soap. I-reveal ko yung soap kung ano man yun in the future. In the near future, I'll be doing a tutorial about that. However, pagka for example, nag-makeup ako ngayon, tapos tomorrow may racket ako, I'm using a Korean Spirit Makeup Brush Cleaner.
Now I'm taking with me the Nivea Peach Shine to moisturize the lips of Raynor. So since Raynor has a thick eyebrow, we'll be channeling a somehow Bretman look, or shall I say Bretman brows.
Now I'm gonna take the BYS Brow Gel in number 2 brown shade to define the brows of Raynor. And I have here with me one of my favorite brushes from Pinnacle Professional. Now I'm gonna use CoverGirl True Naked Goldens.
Now I have here with me one of my eyeshadow palettes from Sleek. So, anong shade ba to? This is the Also Special 658 palette. I'm gonna take the dark metallic. I think this is black, but somehow it appears parang nag-ano siya, nag-purplish black something. Blending is the key for the economy and the run. Now I'm gonna take the black matte eyeshadow and pat it on the lowest part of the eye. This may be applicable to others but not for some. So, kung ano yung magiging applicable na technique for you, you might wanna adopt to that one. So, sa akin, ito yung applicable na technique. So, I'm not telling you guys na gawin nyo rin to. But for me, it is very, very applicable. So guys, look at that. It is creating an illusion as if hindi siya 45 degrees, right? Hindi siya pa ganun. So that is something that we need to do. That we need to troubleshoot. So, bear with me. I'm a beginner. Now I have here with me the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sugar. I'm gonna take the one in Butterscotch.
One of my favorite eyeliners, liquid eyeliners from Maybelline, New York. Now I'm gonna use the Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline, New York. Now I have here with me another product from Maybelline, New York, the black eyeliner. Now I'm taking with me a video brush and apply some eyeshadow, the one I got from Envelope. Look up. And dust it on the under eye.
Now I'm doing this so that Reynard's eyes would really be that big.
Wow, heaven, Father.
Wow, heaven.
Bakit? Parang nagsisi na siya ng makeup ang siya today. Ano te? Tis ganda te.
Heaven.
Heaven.
Jaran! I now have here with me the City Color Glow Pro Blush Palette Matte Collection. Of course, from City Colors. Now, I have here with me one of my favorite lashes from Taiwan. This is in H14. Promise guys, maganda. False eyelashes from Bokto in Y034. Y034. And this is going to be applied on the bottom lash cannon.
Bottom? Oh my God.
Bottom.
I'm going to extend your lips.
That's Patrick Star. Sure. Just kidding. Who's that? May Roque. Wow, galing. Ay, thank you po. Si Madam May. So, kanya ko na. By the way, the Dress Up brushes and the Zoeva brushes that I bought are actually from Miss May Roque.
Hi, Ma'am Ramiro. Okay.
Guys, I'm so sorry I wasn't able to film me doing the lipstick because I don't know, my phone hang or something.
So, I challenge you to make my lippies.
So I'm gonna try to do an ombre lips. Now here's the final look of our makeup transformation from man to woman for Reynard. If you liked it, hit the like button And also you might want to consider hitting the bell button so that you'll be notified on my next upload, and also consider subscribing. See you again next time around. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. You're so beautiful.
Yan po. Kita niyo po. Unti na pong nawawala yung paganda. Bakit gano'n? Bakit? Bakit? Mommy? Don't forget to subscribe in our social media channels, especially